this crucial time period, it is very difficult for us to cope up with the studies. But our school had solved this problem by providing us with the online sessions. In these online sessions, we interact with our teachers and they provide us lectures. We can also ask questions and clear our query.
Our attendance were taken as soon as we log in. The teachers were really interactive throughout the class so that they could ensure that each and every student are attentive. Our teachers were really enthusiastic and helped us in each and every way possible.
The audio-visual online study allows me to see and hear my teachers and my classmates. In case of any doubt, I can also ask my teacher.